Welcome back. Now, if we go back into the Edge browser and we go to the settings, which is the bottom link, you're going to have the settings open up for you. And one of the things you'll notice right at the top is you can make the Edge browser your default browser. Now, this is going to change the settings that you may have done in your default applications. However, Microsoft wants to make it easy for you to use Microsoft Edge. And of course, you can change the way the browser operates, choosing a theme, determining where Microsoft Edge is going to open. For example, you can specify a site, or you can use other pages that are part of your history. You can also determine how your tabs are going to be open. You can open your tabs with top sites or a blank page. Now at the very bottom, you're going to have advanced settings. You can click that link. You can determine things like your home button, whether or not you're going to block pop-ups, whether or not to use Adobe Flash, and you can also determine where your downloads are going to be targeted. So whenever you download a file, you can make sure it goes to the location where you want it. And of course, this is also where you're going to determine all of your privacy settings for the web as well as for Microsoft. Most of these settings will be on by default, so you'll want to change the ones that you expect to use frequently. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.